Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 Lenovo keyboard not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, going to your settings of your Windows. Click on ease of access, click on keyboard, turn on screen keyboard, close it. In the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. After doing this step, select a keyboard, select a driver, right click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, select a model, click on next to continue and click on close it and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, click on ease of access, click on keyboard and turn on screen keyboard. After that, close it. Click on search bar and type a device manager. Click on device manager, select a keyboard, select a driver, right click and click on uninstall device. After uninstalling that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, click on update and security, click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters, select a keyboard and run the troubleshooter. Close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the start menu, go to the settings of your Windows, click on ease of access, click on keyboard, scroll down and turn on use filter keys, and make sure that always the shortcut keys check it. Enable show the filter key icon desktop and make sure that beep when key are passed or accepted, check it. So turn on filter keys, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.